We raised the roof up in here. Just like I did last night. I raised the roof. Now guess what, Pops? You raised the roof. You're gonna be on sleep tunes. You like that? Roll Tide, by the way. Lord have mercy, it didn't take you but like 2 minutes to go to sleep. Wow. Hold on, you're waking me up. So you do it quicker. Check out the gold chain, though.